Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel, and in this tutorial video guys, I will teach you on how to write a program that will perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division of the two given numbers by the user using Scala or Scalable programming language. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, supporters, and subscribers in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos, leaving a comment, and most importantly by subscribing. I would like to shout out Ma'am Robilyn, Sir Ernel, and Marshmallow, who are always watching and supporting my videos. If you want to be shout out in my channel, kindly leave your name and then shout out in the comment section of this video tutorial. So let's get started. I am here in Visual Code as my text editor. So we have here a series of comment, basic_Scala, Professor Jake Rodriguez Pomperada and MIT, and then I have two websites. The first one is jakerpomperada.blogspot.com, and then the second one is www.jakerpomperada.com, which offers free source code to download. Presently, I'm accepting computer programming jobs, software development, IT consultancy, computer tutorial. You can reach me at my personal email address at jakerpomperada@gmail.com. Quality service at a very reasonable cost. And then I wrote this code last year, October 31, 2021, Sunday at 3:18 p.m. Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, here in the Philippines. So we have here import Java util scanner. What is good about Scala is that you can integrate some of the code, at least 70 to 80% of Java in your program. Object, addition, underscore difference, div, args, array, unit, var, scanner, new scanner, in, print, and then the title of our program, basic math in Scala. And then in this portion of our code, line number 19 to 24, we are asking the user to give first number that will be stored in our variable a, and then the second number will be variable b, which has a data type of integer, next int. In line number 26 up to 29, line 26 will perform addition. Addition equals a plus b, open and close parentheses. Difference or subtraction equals a minus b, open and close parentheses. The third, multiply, equals a asterisk b, open and close parentheses. And then lastly, for division, quotient equals a over b, open and close parentheses, new line. And then we display the result here. Sum of a plus b, addition. Difference between a and b is difference. The product of a and b, multiply. The quotient between a and b is quotient. And then print and the program to new line or skip sequence in C programming language, that is paste. And then we close our program here. Okay, so after we have done, I will select new terminal window in the Visual Code. Okay, so let us clear the terminal, and then we issue a command Scala space addition underscore difference dot Scala to run our program. Press enter key. No, sorry. The name is basic_math. There is a mistake. Wait. Basic_math. Okay. I will repeat again. Basic Scala space basic_math. That's Scala. Enter. Okay, basic math in Scala. Enter first number, let's say 100. Enter the second number, we have 5. So the sum of 105 is 105. The difference between 105 is 95. The product of 105 is 500. The quotient between 105 is 20. End of program. That's it, no? So another example. 64. First number, second number 8. So the sum of 64 and 8 is 72. The difference between 64 and 8 is 56. The product of 64 and 8 is 512 or 512. The quotient between 64 and 8 is 8. End of program. Okay, guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video of basic math in Scala. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you do like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.